In this video, we're going to unbox the Sondors Madmods. But before I do, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. So without further ado, let's get into this box. Now that the top of the box is open, you can see the bike. I'm going to take out that box, set it aside. Look here, looks like there's a little bit of foam damage, but overall the paint looks good. I'm going to remove the contents. Alright, so looking at this, looks like the fork is on top, and there's a brake cable connected to it. It says congratulations and welcome to Sondors, and the instructions for the assembly video. But getting this out, I think I might cut the front of the box down or have a friend lift the bike out. Now that the bike's out of the box, I'm going to just do a quick walk around. You can see the front tire is zip tied to the frame. You get over to this side, and now you can see everything, and then the shipping fork. I'm going to slowly remove all the plastics and get the battery out and get that charged ASAP. Now the two smaller boxes inside there, this one has the headlight in it with the fasteners. This box has the different pedals, reflectors, and the charger in it. It's too pretty. Oh, obviously the screen and the control system. So I'm gonna remove the fork off the top of the bike. Be very careful of this cable over here. And I'm gonna set that. I'm afraid of this bike falling over. I really should buy a fat tire bike stand to hold it. I think I'm going to fabricate one out of a 2x4 in order to hold it in place while I do the assembly. I want to get the battery out. Please refer to the Sondors videos for assembling the rest of the bike, but also my tips and tricks for assembling the front fork and preventing cables from getting pinched or damaged.